how to download Roblox on your PC. That's what I'm going to teach you in today's video. So the first, once you open the PC, we need to go to Microsoft Store. By doing this, you go here and click on this icon, or even you can tap on Windows button. So here we need to go to Microsoft Store. And if you couldn't find Microsoft Store here in the pinned apps, just go here and search for Microsoft Store. And here open this one. And wait until it's opening. So once opening here, as you can see, this is the main page of Microsoft Store. You can go here in the search bar and search for Roblox. And here we got the app of Roblox. Just click on it. And it's free 100%, so you can click on Get. And just wait a few seconds until it's downloading to your PC or your laptop. So as you can see, the app's been downloaded here. We can click on play to launch the app, and it's been launching here successfully. You just must log into your account or create a new account and try to use Roblox. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.